Now, point number 3 is the usage of tahta. The usage of tahta. In a tahta is a dharafu makan. Is a dharafu makan. A dharafu makan. A pronoun of, an adverb of place. Dharafu makan. An adverb of place. And it is inna الاسم وقيع بعد تحت مجرور بإضافة. And indeed, the noun which is placed after tahta is majrur, meaning it gets a kasra. And majrur is the grammatic term for a word that ends with a kasra. Mansub is the grammatic term with a word that ends with fatha. And majrur is a grammatic term of the word that ends with kasra. So it says, indeed, the noun which is placed after tahta gets a kasra as an addition. For example of that is qalamu tahtal maktabi or qalamu tahtal kitabi. And back to the lesson, it gives you near the end of the lesson, it says Aina haqibatul mudarrisi hiya tahtal maktabi. And it's showing you that the noun that comes after tahta is majrur. And you see maktabi, kitabi, kursiyi. It gets a kasra. Anything that comes after tahta, any noun that comes after tahta gets a kasra. Even if the noun that comes after tahta is at the end of the sentence and there's other things that comes after tahta, but if the thing that comes after tahta is not a noun, then it won't get a kasra until that noun comes. And that noun may even come all the way at the end of the sentence, or even may come in the middle. If it's a long sentence, it may come at the end of that long sentence, but that will be the noun that comes after tahta, and it will get a kasra. Point number 4. Hamzatul wasl. Al-hamzatul wasl. In hamzatul wasl, anna al-hamzatul wasli la tuntaku illa idha waqa'at fil awwal jumlati walakin tuktabu hamza. And indeed, the hamzatul wasl is not pronounced except when it is placed in the beginning of a sentence, but is written as hamza. For example of that is the word ismu. You see that the hamzatul wasl comes at the beginning of that word, so it's pronounced. It's written and it's pronounced. Tuktabu wa tuntaku. It's written and it's pronounced. Or ibnu. It's in the beginning of the word. Only if this word is at the beginning of the sentence. This hamzatul wasl comes at the beginning of these words all the time. But these words must come at the beginning of a sentence in order for the hamzatul wasl to be pronounced. Now, when the hamzatul wasl is in the middle, it's not pronounced. It's written, but it's not pronounced. Tuktabu wa la tuntaku fil wasat. It's written, but not pronounced in the middle. It's written, but not pronounced in the middle. And I'm going to use these two exact words as an example of that. And you have a sentence, and say, wasmu. Wasmu. The hamzatul wasl is there as it was before when the word ism was in the beginning of the sentence. But now, ism is not in the beginning of a sentence. It may be in the middle. It may be at the end. But it's not at the beginning now. And there's another word that comes before that. So now you don't pronounce the hamzatul wasl, but it's written there. So you'll say wasmu. Or if you use the word ibn, if it's not in the beginning of the sentence, but it's in the middle, the hamzatul wasl is still there, but it's not pronounced. Wabanu. Wabanu. You go straight to the next, you go straight to that ba, and you don't pronounce the hamza. You don't pronounce the hamza. And the fifth point is, and actually the fifth point is actually a question. ما فرق بين هنا وهناك. هنا للقريب, هناك للبعيد. Huna is only used for something that's near or when you're near, and hunak is used for when you're far or something is far. Now, for example of that, what you see in the beginning of the chapter, Aina kitabu Muhammadin huwa ala al-maktabi hunaka. Where is Muhammad's book? It's on the table over there. Lil Ba'idi. It's on the table over there. Now, if you was going to say a table here, you would say huwa ala al-maktabi huna. It's on this table right here, but it's saying it's on the table over there. And these are the 5 points which dealing in this lesson. And now we'll go to skim through, or to briefly tell you the things of the exercises which are very, very important upon understanding the lesson. These exercises is very, very important. The exercises are there to help you understand the points which are given in the lesson. Anybody who studies the Medina course, any lesson that you do, you must attentively do the exercises, because the exercises will help you understand the points that are given in this or the grammatic points which are given in every chapter. It will help you understand it, and it will give you a strong understanding. It will help you pay attention, because in every chapter the first exercise is questions and answers dealing with what's going on in the chapter, to help you keep a attentive mind when doing the lessons. Ajib and SLT, ATT. And these questions are all things we're dealing with in the chapter. The second exercise is giving you the exercise with practicing on mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. As I told you in the beginning of the chapter, kalamun hamidun. They want you to change that and make that mudaf ilayhi. Exercise 3. To read and write and place the proper vowel, the proper i'rab on the last words. The proper i'rab on the ending of each word. Dealing with mudaf ilayhi. Exercise 4. They want you just to read. And during this exercise, you will see mudaf ilayhi. You will also see the usage of the hamza al wasl in the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. And you also get to use the harf nida wa munada. Then you have exercise number 5. Exercise 5. It's actually now it's giving you exercise showing you how to put together sentences. To show you how to put together sentences. Jumla to mufid, to complete sentences. They're showing you how to do it. They want you to place the beginning of the sentence in there. Exercise number 6. It's showing you how to. It's actually giving you extra things to show you how to build a jumla to mufid, a complete sentence or a beneficial sentence. Now you got to get the ending of the sentence to make the sentence jumla to mufid. And the exercise before that was telling you to put the beginning word to make it a jumla to mufid. And now the second one is giving you to add the ending of the word to make it a jumla to mufid. Exercise number 7 is giving you exercise dealing with the harf nida wa munada. Harf nida wa munada. And exercise number 8 is giving you pictures on the side and telling you to give a sentence. And they actually also showing you how to ask the questions correctly. Kitabu min hadha. Kitabu min hadha. Who book is this? Instead of saying min hadha kitab. Min hadha kitab. Who book is this? The proper way to say it will be Kitabu min hadha. Whose book is this? This is the proper way of saying it. You can also say min hadha kitab. Who book is this? But actually, it will be a sign of your laziness in talking, your laziness in speaking. And a lot of times, even in English, we're English speaking people and we're lazy even with the English. So if you was to always use min hadha kitab, it will show a laziness in your in your grammatic in your Arabic.